In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent in the pop-up and use this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options. You can check them out thanks to Preview at the top. After adjusting your new wallpaper perfectly, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wanna apply it by tapping on one of those options. When you're ready, just close your app. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!